CASA advocate is a pretty important role within the family court system. CASA is appointed by the family court judge to a case that probably is pretty complex. We're trying to advocate for the best interest of the child.
These children are at risk of being removed or have been removed from their homes. CASA's goal is that all children have a safe, permanent home as soon as possible.
A CASA advocate means to stand in the gap for abused and neglected children, to be available emotionally and I would say time-wise to actually go through sometimes loops to advocate for children.
We provide volunteers who are trained to be a part of the social system and to advocate for the children involved in a much larger system that they have no control over.
My court-appointed special advocate is more than a mentor. She's a friend, and she was always there for me more than my court attorney, more than my social worker, more than my family.
The ultimate goal of a CASA advocate is to make sure that a child has a stable, safe home where they are loved and cared for and all of their needs are met.
CASA is funded through the generosity of individual donors, as well as through grants and local foundations, and the many fundraisers that we provide for throughout the year. We do not receive any federal, state, or county funding at this time.
It's a private not-for-profit organization. The people who are volunteers are providing a service, in essence free, because they're using their time.
When I was in the system, I moved several times between different families, and my CASA worker was always there to move me, her and her husband, and these people don't get paid for what they do. It's a service from their heart every outing that you go on, and it's just time that they decide to devote to a child.
So advocacy is oftentimes giving up your time and going out and just sitting with a child to talk to them, to see exactly their needs and making sure that those are met.
To advocate is to be the voice of the child or for the child in the courtroom, in the community, within the family, to advocate for what's in their best interest, but to be that sometimes loud, sometimes quiet, but ever-present voice for the child.
Please support CASA by donating online, connecting with social media, or volunteering your time to support a child in a similar situation to mine.